In today's video, we are going to be going over the 7 best affiliate program for beginners in 2019. My name is Emmanuel and my goal is to help you make gain time and location freedom using predictable systems and strategies to build your own online business. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 best affiliate programs you can join as a beginner in 2019. So previously, I created a video on how to start affiliate marketing, even though if you have a lower budget or even though if you have no website. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you 7 of the best affiliate networks you can join even in 2019. So I create videos on affiliate marketing and also various videos on making money online, legit online job, and also how to be a successful entrepreneur. If these things are something you look forward to, I would implore you to kindly click on the bell notification button to subscribe to this channel and be notified when I create future videos. So without wasting much time, I would like us to dive into today's video. Today's video is going to be sharing with you 7 of the best affiliate programs I would recommend you join in 2019. These are trusted programs that you can earn decent commission and replace your 9 to 5 job even as an entrepreneur. Most of these networks are very trustworthy, while some are something you've not heard of. But I'll also be sharing with you how to get the best out of this network. And the first one on our list is a network that pays a very low commission, but it's a network that is trusted by thousands and thousands of brands online and offline, which makes it very easy to sell lots of products in this network and make decent commission in this network. Down the line, I'll also be sharing with you top networks that will pay you decent commission up to $100 per qualified lead you bring to these networks. This, I would love you to stay to the end of this video so that you can learn these programs and how to get the best out of this program. Now, the first one on our list is a very popular network called the Amazon Associate Program. So we all knows of Amazon and its product. Amazon is a very trusted brand on the internet, which makes it very easy to promote the Amazon link and join the Amazon Associate Program. With the Amazon Associate Program, you are earning about 4% in commission for every sales you refer to the Amazon system. But where you can make up to this 4% is the fact that Amazon is very trusted, that it is very easy to sell lots of products on the Amazon network. And Amazon has what we call the cookie. When someone clicks into your link and gets into the system, they are cooked to the extent that whatsoever they buy within the Amazon network, for that time period they are, everything is credited to you. So you could have referred them maybe to buy a t-shirt on Amazon, and they went into the Amazon, they bought the shirt, they bought different items, bought jewelries and bought books, or name what you can think of. Everything they buy within that period they are in your system, using you in the Amazon system with your link. Everything that is bought or purchased during that period is cooked to you. So that is one benefit of Amazon Associate Program. You can join the Amazon program for free and earn up to 10% commission promoting their product, but Amazon commission is very low. But very low, it's very trusted to the extent that you can sell, you can easily sell products without having to convince people a lot, just promoting your Amazon link. Just sell something you trust and something you use. Make a review video on something you use regularly, and with that review video you can have sell lots of things on Amazon with your link. And the next one is a product in the e-commerce store. It's a product that helps online businesses build e-commerce stores online, and that is Shopify. So while Amazon is paying 4% in commission, Shopify pays you $58 for every successful sales you make on the website. So for everybody that you brought into the site, into the Shopify network, that create a Shopify store and goes ahead to purchase a plan to build an e-commerce store for his business, Shopify pays you $58 for referring the customer to their business. So Shopify is a platform that allows all businesses or individuals to create an e-commerce store. So with the Shopify program or the Shopify software in itself, you can build a store, an e-commerce store, in a matter of minutes. So for every person you refer to Shopify system that uses the Shopify app or the Shopify software to create a store for his or her business, Shopify pays you $58 for every successful sales you make on the store. So if you have friends, or if your niche or market is for people that are interested in building an e-commerce store for themselves, you can refer them to Shopify and make decent commission with the Shopify partner program. So with the Shopify partner program, imagine you refer up to 10 people per month with your link. That means about $58, $580 every month just from the Shopify program. So Shopify is a very good community, or a very good software you can recommend to your friends and your niche market that are interested in creating Shopify stores or in creating an e-commerce store for their business. The number 3 program that is on our list you can join today to start making commission. They pays you up to $100 for every qualified lead you bring to them, and that is a product in the financial market known as the Regal Asset Wealth Partner Program. So with the Regal Asset, you can apply to be an affiliate with Regal Asset. So Regal Asset is a product in the financial market, and when you look at the financial niche, you see that the financial market has a lot of audience. And with that, you are able to market to a lot of people. There's a market for this product, the Regal Asset. There's a market for it, and the Regal Asset teams gives you varieties of tools you can use to promote this product. And with the Regal Asset, you are earning commission in 3 different ways. Regal Asset pays you per call, and they also pays you per sales, and they also pays you a second tier commission. Now let me explain this to you. Per lead, for every verified lead you send to the system, Regal Asset pays you $100 for every verified lead you sell to the system. Just send them the lead and they do the follow-up, and once they're able to convert them to sales, you are also earning up to 3% per sales on every sale they make. The average sales for their product is $65,000, and this allows you to make up to $2,000 per sales once they are able to close your prospect into becoming a qualified sales. And the Regal Asset has what we call the second tier commission. The way the second tier commission is, when you recommend Regal Asset to somebody and the person goes ahead to recommend it to someone else, Regal Asset pays you a second tier commission, whereby they pays you 1 to 2% on referred sales by brands or partners you bring into the system. These are 3 ways you can make commission from Regal Asset, and Regal Asset has paid over 6, 7 to 8 figures per month to their affiliates, which you can see on the screen right now. So Regal Asset is a very good product in the financial market if you're looking out for good recommended product you can promote in the financial niche. And a similar product to it is the eToro Partners Network. So the eToro is a social investment network, is a social trading platform where, similar to Regal Asset, if you can get people similar to Regal Asset, it's a social trading platform that has an affiliate program you can get yourself into. I will be sharing the links down below this video, so I will employ you to check them out and sign up to affiliate networks of your choice among these networks. And the next, which is the 5th affiliate program I recommend, and which I myself promote on a daily basis is the ClickForNow affiliate program. So recently, ClickForNow has made a drastic change to their affiliate program, in the sense that they only apply they right now, to be an affiliate of ClickForNow, you must apply to be an affiliate. So it is now by application. And the next change, as at the time of shooting this video, which they make to the affiliate program, is that their commission right now is starting from 30%. So the 30%, so right now, ClickForNow pays 30% monthly commission to their affiliate. But if you are dedicate yourself to the ClickForNow affiliate program and promote it rigorously and get up to 40 active users in your ClickForNow affiliate network, ClickForNow increases your commission to 40% monthly commission. Why I love the ClickForNow affiliate program is the fact that it is a monthly recurring commission. So when you put in the effort right now to promote the ClickForNow affiliate program, once you build a sizable audience, you can able to make monthly recurring commission passively just from the ClickForNow affiliate program. Now, the ClickForNow software itself is a software that is used by businesses, individuals, and industries to build landing pages. So ClickForNow allows you to build sales pages, landing pages, webinar pages, and different marketing pages for your business. And this is a very useful element in every business, which makes the stick rate for ClickForNow very, very high, because businesses are currently using ClickForNow to promote or to enhance their business. So it is very easy to make this monthly recurring commission with ClickForNow. In this channel, I'll be sharing with you different ways you can build up your ClickForNow affiliate program to be able to create this passive income and live a lifestyle of your choice just by affiliate marketing, just doing affiliate marketing. So I implore you to kindly subscribe to this channel for more videos that helps you, shows you various ways you can make money on the internet. Then the next network on our list is Jvzoo. So Jvzoo is a network for digital products. In this network, vendors come to market their products on this platform. And when you sign up to promote products on Jvzoo, Jvzoo allows you to apply to these individual vendors, and they give you a link to promote their products on your own channel. So the Jvzoo affiliate program pays up to 50 to 75% commission on this digital product. So if your audience are in the digital niche, you can look for products that suits your audience in Jvzoo and promote it to them. And the final list, why Jvzoo is very, very good, the final network on my list in this video is a list in the CPA network, which is OfferVault. So OfferVault is a CPA network where lots of vendors or lots of CPA network goes over to advertise their product. And on OfferVault, you can see different networks, their various payouts, and the type of commission they pay. So, for example, the number one on our list, the LPE Massage PG, pays you for $14 for every qualified lead you send to their network. So, and also likewise, different networks, the Nectar Sleep pays 80% for every sales you bring into the network. So you can go to OfferVault, scroll down to the network and choose the industry that suits your audience. Choose the industry that suits your audience and find a product you can promote on the network. These are top affiliate products you can promote. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found these networks or these affiliate programs useful. Let me know in the comment below if you also have any network you can recommend, or what are the networks you think would be very good. Let me know what you are currently promoting in the comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.